Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here. So what a great day today was. I just finished level 12 of Mindset 360 and I completed the entire game. What a game changer for my personal life, my business life, and I'm super grateful. And today went out and checked the mail, and guess what? My Sales Vision Black Card has arrived. That's right. So I don't know if I've even mentioned this yet, but the game, it actually pays you. So Sales Vision, the game actually pays you, which is super. Black card here. Cover this up. Boom. Sales Vision Black Card. So what's really cool is even if you just sign up to play the game for free, they give you $1. Literally, they send you this black card here to play the game for free. They give you $1, and then you can actually earn money while playing the games. They also send out prizes and rewards for all the points that you gather within the game as well. So super stoked. It's been a great day. Got some great sun. Did an awesome video on forgiveness and releasing some stress and anxiety into the world, which is really great. And at the same time, I got my prepaid black card from Sales Vision. Super stoked. So everybody go check out my site, www.winwithryan.com, www.winwithryan.com. Get your free black card. We give you $1 right off the bat, just getting started. Play the free game, learn some skills, get some personal motivation going, get some sales motivation going, and grow your life like you've never done before. Thank you so much. Win with Ryan. Check us out. Bye.